Good day, everyone. I'm Sir RJ Layson, your math tutor and guide in this exciting journey through the world of numbers. In this video, we will discuss all about illustrating linear inequalities in two variables. Now, last time, we've already discussed all about linear equations in two variables. Now, let's move on now in linear inequalities in two variables. So before we proceed to our main lesson, let's have an activity first, which is sort me well. Directions below are the mathematical statements. Classify these statements in the column where they belong. So these mathematical statements, we need to identify this one as linear inequalities or linear equation. So let's proceed now. So first, we have here linear inequality in two variables in the left side and linear equation in two variables in the right side. So we have here our first mathematical statement, which is y equals to 7x plus 21. So since it is an equal sign, so that will fall in linear equation in two variables. Next, we have 3y minus 7 less than 5x. So less than, so you need to remember when we talk about inequality, the symbol of this must be greater than, less than, greater than or equal, less than or equal, or not equal. So it will fall here in linear inequality in two variables. Next, we have y equals to 5x plus 20. So it is under the linear equation in two variables. Next, we have y less than or equals to 7x plus 21. So under linear inequality in two variables. Next, 10 minus 5y minus 7x. 10 minus 5y equals to 7x. So it will fall in linear equation in two variables. Next, we have 3x plus 4y less than 15. So it will fall in a linear inequality in two variables. Next, we have y greater than 5x plus 20. So it will fall in a linear inequality in two variables. Next, we have 3y minus 7 equals to 5x. Linear equation in two variable. Next, we have 10 minus 5y greater than or equal to 7x. So it will fall into linear inequality in two variables. Next, we have 3x plus 4y equals to 15 under linear equation in two variables. So let us define what is the difference between equation and inequalities. So equation and inequalities are two significant concepts in mathematics that are related but are different in some ways. So an inequality is a mathematical statement where one expression is not equal to another. It is uses the symbol less than, greater than, less than or equal, greater than or equal, or not equal, while the equation uses the symbol equal sign, indicating that the value of the expression from both sides are equal. So, since we've already discussed now all about the linear equation, as long as we can satisfy the given values in the left side to the right side, so that means the given equation is true, or the given linear equation is true. So in inequality, so we can identify here which is not equal or not equal from the given left side or into the right side of the given inequality. So given here the table, no, in our first column, the point of differences. Second column, we have linear equation, and the third column is linear inequality. Let's compare linear equation into linear inequality. So in definition, so let us recall what is the definition of linear equation. So a linear equation in two variables is written in the standard form of ax plus by plus c equals to 0, where your a, b, and c are real numbers, and the coefficient of x and y represented by a and b respectively are not equal to 0. While the linear inequality, a linear inequality in two variables is formed when the symbol other than equal to, such as greater than or less than, are used relate to expressions and two variables are involved. So for the standard form for linear equation, no, there is only one standard form for the linear equation: ax plus by equals to c. While in the linear inequality, so there are possible standard form for the linear inequality. We have ax plus by less than c, ax plus by greater than c, ax plus by less than or equal to c, ax plus by is not equal to c, and ax plus by is greater than or equal to c. Less than or equal to c. Sorry. So, symbols used, no? We have here in symbol for the linear equation, only one. We have equal sign is equal to or equals or equals. For the linear equations, we have here the symbol, this one, is less than, or we can read this one is below or smaller than. For this symbol is greater than, is above, is more than. We have here this symbol is less than or equal to, or is at most, is not exceed to, or is maximum. Next one, we have this symbol is greater than or equal to, is at least, or is minimum. And last one, this symbol is not equal. So equal sign, so we have to put slash, so that is not equal. So in translating verbal statement in mathematical statements, no? So we have here for the linear equation, the sum of a number x and a number y is 24. So we need to recall that is, the word is, represents in a mathematical sentence, no? When we translate, that is equal sign. So the sum of x and y number is 24. So we have x plus y equals to 24. A number x decreased by y is 24. So we have x minus y equals to 24. And the sum of twice a number of x and thrice the number of y is 30. Oh, okay. So we have 2x plus 3y equals to 30. Twice a number x decreased by thrice a number y is 30. So twice a number x, so 2x decreased minus thrice a number y, so 3y equals 30. For the linear inequality class, so we have here the sum of a number x and a number y is greater than 24. So we have x plus y is greater than 24. A number x decreased by a number y is less than 24. So we have x minus y less than 24. Next, we have a sum of twice a number x and a thrice a number of y is at least 30. So we have 2x plus 3y greater than or equal to 30. Next, we have twice a number x decreased by thrice a number y is at most 30. So we have 2x minus 3y less than or equal to 30. For the characteristics of the graph class, so for the linear equation, we can form a straight line. While in the linear inequality, we can create or we can form a plane or a half plane if we plot the given points in the linear equation or in the linear inequality. So let's have an example for this one. So what is an example, sir? So sample graphs. So we have y equals to negative x plus 1. So we have here, this will be the itsura of your graph. So we can form a straight line or a diagonal line based on its given linear equation. While in the linear inequality, these are the forms that when we create in a Cartesian plane. So y is greater than negative x plus 1. So we have here, no? So, a plane or half of it plane, it's a shaded region na siya. So, that means that this points over here is considered to be true based on the linear inequality. Next, we have y is greater than or equal to negative x plus 1. So, when we say also less than and greater than, that means the values there, no, you will use broken lines. And then if greater than or equal or less than or equal, we will use straight line for this one. Okay? In the next topic class, we will discuss there on how to plot linear inequalities in two variables. For the graphical solutions for the linear equation, set of points on the line, and the linear inequality, as I've said, region of points bounded by a line. So that means shaded region na siya bounded by its line. So depende siya kung anong symbol yung ginagamit mo. Like for example, greater than or less than, greater than or equal or less than or equal. So effects when they multiplied or divide by negative integer. For the linear equation, equality symbol is not changed. For the linear inequality, their direction of the inequality symbol is reversed. So when we multiply or divide negative integers class, for example, the given symbol there is greater than. So the direction or the inequality of the symbol will be reversed. So that means it will turn into less than symbol. For example, less than, your given is less than value. So when you multiply or divide a negative integer, so it will change into greater than. Later on in our next topic, we will discuss that all more. Let's focus on identifying the solution of an inequality. So determine whether each ordered pair is a solution of 5x plus 6y greater than 25. So for example, we have a given point. So we have 3 and 6. So 3 here is our value of our x. So we will substitute that one into our value of x, and then 6 there is our y coordinate. So we have here our given inequality is 5x plus 6y greater than 25. So all we need to do, class, is we need to substitute 3 from x and 6 from y. So we have 5 times 3, we have 15, plus 6 times 6, we have 36, is greater than 25. So 15 plus 36, we have 51. Is 51 greater than 25? That is true. Hence, 3 and 6 is a solution of the inequality. Next, we have negative 3 and 3. So we have 5x plus 6y greater than 25. So all we need to do is we need to substitute negative 3 as x and y as 3 as y. So we have 5 times negative 3 plus 6 times 3 equals greater than 25. So 5 times negative 3, we have negative 15, plus 6 times 3, we have 18, greater than 25. So negative 15 plus 18, we have 3, greater than 25. Is 3 greater than 25? No, so that is false. So that means, hence, negative 3 and 3 is not a solution of the inequality. Next example, we have 5 and 5. So same process, we just need to substitute 5 as x and 5 as y. So 5 times 5, 25, plus 6 times 5, we have 30. 25 plus 30 is greater than 25. 55 is greater than 25. Is 55 greater than 25? Yes, that is true. Hence, 5 and 5 is a solution of the given inequality. Next, we have negative 4 and 6. So we have 5 times negative 4 plus 6 times 6 is greater than 25. 5 times negative 4, we have negative 20, plus 6 times 6, we have 36. So we have negative 20 plus 36 is greater than 25. We have 16 is greater than 25. Is 16 greater than 25? No, so that is false. So hence, negative 4 and 6 is not a solution of the given inequality. Clearly, there are many ordered pairs such as such that 5x plus 6y greater than 25. While in the graph, no, when we graph 5x plus 6y equals to 25, it can create a straight line only. So for example, this one, no? For example, the given 2 points there of your two variables, or given 2 points of your variables, we have negative 1 and 5 and 5 and 0. So we can create there a straight line. While in the graph of 5x plus 6y greater than 25, we can create a half plane or a plane there. So here, all the points here in the shaded region, kanang naka-red na part class, is considered to be a solution of our linear inequalities. So based there, no, so our given, for example, no, let's plot 3 and 6 here. We will use Desmos app or desmos.com. No, we will identify there, or we will try to plot there. It is an application or in the website, online website siya, or you can use also GeoGebra to identify. You just need to input the given linear inequalities, and then you put also the given points, so we can now there identify which are the solution or not solution of the given linear inequality. So let's discuss this one using the Desmos online app or online website. Now we are here now in the Desmos site. So let's try to plot this one, or given ano no. So assume that we've already have our two given points, and then we will input the solution or the linear equation for this one. So we have 5x plus 6y greater than 25. I'm sorry. So greater than 25. So this one, class. Now, no, this is now the shaded region. Now let's try to plot. We've already solved the given points now if mo satisfy ba siya sa linear equation or not. So let's try to identify if those points which are true must fall in this line in the shaded region, and then those points we've answered is false. We might see this given points in here in the not shaded part. So let's try this one. So we have our first point is 3 and 6. So where is 3 and 6 now? Now since we've already discussed this one, no, Gaina, no, it is true. So that means based on the plot also, it is true, class. So let's try another one. Now the number 2 point. So which is negative 3 and 3. Now, where is negative 3 and 3 now? Here. Now, there is your negative 3 and 3, which is outside your shaded region. No? Next, we have 5 and 5. So, what's the answer for this one? This is true. So, where is 5 and 5? So, it's under in the shaded region part. Next, we have negative 4 and 6. Okay, where is negative 4 and 6? So, this one. So, that is not in the shaded region. So, actually, can use this mo. So, later on in our next lessons, so we will try to explore GeoGebra and Desmos application. So the graph of the linear inequality in two variable is a half plane consists of the points whose coordinates satisfy the inequalities. So let's test yourself. So determine whether each ordered pair is a solution of your 5x minus 5y is less than or equal to 36. So our first point is 7 and 3. Next, we have negative 3 and 1. 5 and 5, negative 2 and 4, and 4 and 8. Now, tomorrow in our class, you try to answer this one at home. We will discuss this one, or we will plot this one, the given ordered pairs. And then we will also try to plot, no, the given points if is this lying on the given linear equation or not. Okay. Okay, thank you for watching. That's all for today. I hope that you've learned something out of this lesson. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and to share it with your grade 8 classmates or friends. Thank you so much, guys. Goodbye.